Romania, home to Europe's last great wilderness, and one of the few places you can still see brown bears roaming free, or hear the howl of the wolves chill the night air. Here the mighty Carpathian mountains spread in a great arc across the country, with their jagged, snow-capped peaks and leagues of untamed forest. This is a landscape that has inspired countless myths and legends that date back to the dawn of civilization. Today, people come here to experience some of the most beautiful scenery anywhere on the continent. You can follow remote trails through stunning gorges, past deep caverns and towering cliffs, or lie back and soak up the sun in alpine meadows which each spring become a carpet of wild flowers. Every season reveals a whole new world to explore, from hot Mediterranean-style summers through autumn, where hill slopes of oak and beech turn to burnished copper, to the thick snows of December, which transform the mountains into a winter paradise. Here also is one of the world's largest wetlands, the mighty Danube Delta, home to a profusion of bird life and a giant network of hidden waterways. So if you want to reconnect with nature, why not leave the pressures of modern life behind and heed the call of the wild? Romania, welcome to Eden.